When it comes to keeping your home spotless, finding a reliable cleaning service can be a challenge. But with Aloha Maids, the search is over. Meet Deborah S., a satisfied customer who discovered the magic of Aloha Maids. She said, "I spoke with Christy and Alicia to book a one-time move-out cleaning. They, along with their team, did a fantastic job. I'm so impressed that once we're settled in our new home, I'm planning to hire them for bi-weekly cleanings." Lauren M. has been enjoying Aloha Maids services for over a year. Claudia and Guarasi are incredible. They're easy to work with, trustworthy, and detail-oriented. Plus, Marie's at the Aloha office is always so helpful and kind. And let's hear from Michelle T., another happy customer who found her perfect cleaning team with Aloha Maids. The cleaners were punctual and attentive. They quickly adapted to my specific cleaning preferences, and after 4 visits, they've met all my needs. My home looks great every time. From one-time cleanings to regular visits, Aloha Maids has been transforming homes and building trust with every sweep and scrub. Ready to experience the Aloha difference? Visit us online and book your first cleaning today. With Aloha Maids, your home is in good hands.